This is verbal reasoning. Talk about, speak about, tell about, say about, but you cannot say discuss about. Ibig sabihin po ng discuss is to talk about. So kapag nilagyan mo pa siya ng about, redundant na yung about, dumoble na yung about ninyo. No?
Yes, is other topics. This is choice number 5. Iniiwasan po natin yan na dito sa past government officials, lalong-lalo na if the gift is coming from foreign. The purpose kasi is to discourage po, no, and prevent the foreign influence in the affairs of our government.
Civil Service Examination Numerical Listing. Ang 8 is 2 times 2 times 2 or can be expressed as 2 cubed. Ayan po. Pag 2 cubed po, hindi po yan 2 times 3 ha. This is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Ayan po. That's the meaning of 2 cubed. So, ang 27 naman, 27 is the product of 3 times 3 times 3 or this can be expressed as 3 cubed. Ayan, 3 cubed po ang sagot.
Analytical reasoning. So, synonym po siya. To ratchet means to increase by stages. So, umuusad ka. To grow naman is to increase by inches. Numerical reasoning. So, yung magiging proper order po nila is ganito na po siya. Magiging ganito na po ang order. So, again, the correct answer is choice number 2.